What is up, YouTube? It is Jeff here. Today we're at the Dollar Tree and gonna make some slime. I am so excited today for some reason. I just really never made slime. One time I tried to make toothpaste slime, it didn't go out so well. Then I tried to make my own slime, and it didn't even get froze because I put it in the freezer. So let's get out and go inside the Dollar Tree. What is up, you guys? Dollar Tree was a success, and today we got some small balls, silly string, we got some glue, shaving cream, some Tide, but we're gonna use that as the activator, and some color. Okay, guys, so today we're gonna be using some glue, some shaving cream, some Tide, but we're gonna use that as the activator, and some color, which is gonna be like the food coloring, but we're not gonna use this stuff today. Okay, so what you first want to do is you first want to just put the glue, you guys. So just I'm gonna put. So, okay. What you want to do is you want to put some shaving cream. And that's why I want to put more glue. Okay, so next what you want to do is you want to use the Tide. So you just want to put a little bit of Tide. So just a little bit. All you're going to do is just stir it. That's right. Is it time to slime, guys? No. Guys, now is slime. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we're gonna add some green. I have some other colors, like yellow and stuff. Guys, I want to use my fingers. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna just mix it, you guys. This is not really working, so I'm gonna use my hands. Okay, guys, now. So I think it's slime now, you guys. Oh wait. Oh yeah, don't I have to put it on here? Put it on here, right? Mm-hmm. So dang, it's sticky though. So we're just what is it? Just gonna oh my god. This is super sticky. I wish you could feel this. This is so sticky.